Hey guys, we got these new monster trucks. You ready? 3, 2, 1, no. You want to see your wait,
What's
brother?
Up, yeah.
What's up, brother?
What's up?
Why are you like different than me?
Wait, where's my brother?
Oh, your brother? Oh, what's up, brother?
What's up? I miss you.
Bro, I miss you too. I don't really have a brother, but I have a friend. But they're over here. Wait, who does? These are, wait, hold up. Wait, friend? Friend? What? I'm a grave digger. I'm sediment digger. But you kind of look like me. Oh, dragon? Wait, you're my friend. Oh yeah, you are. Oh, we both have dragon, obviously.
Zombie.
Where's your
Zombie.
Everybody got our buddies. Yeah, but
Yeah, but I miss my brother.
oh yeah, I miss my friend. He moved for like maybe for 11 years since I was born. We met when we were babies.
My friend.
Wait.
When he moves.
Now let's do a Monster Jam freestyle. Hey, Lennon, let's get them all to their buddies and put them over here so we can do the squads. The grave squad. And that one's named the zombie squad.
And this is the builder god.
Oh, the earth shaker squad.
Yeah.
This one's called the dragon.
He's all.
Okay, ready to do a Monster Jam.
Wait, can we show the other ones?
Yeah.
We got Mohawk Warrior, Alien Invasion, then Soldier Fortune. Then we got these big ones. I think this is Pirate Curse. Maybe.
I mean, we call it Pirate Curse because on the sides it just looks like Pirate Curse.
Yeah.
But we saw Pirate Curse at Walmart, right?
Yeah.
And you ready for a Monster Jam freestyle, guys? You ready? Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, and next, and this is our coach. This is his Max D's dad. He's a great coach. He worked for Monster Jam. His name is
Dad.
Nick. His name is Nick. All right, which squad? Okay, what squad? This squad. First up, we have the Dragonoid team. Who's going first? Dragonoid. All right, let's see what you got. Okay, go Dragonoid. Oh no, he already saved that. Big Sky Wheelie. All right, I think he's going closer already. Camden Murphy and Dragonoid. Oh God, he's on a nose wheelie.
Wait, there's more.
Hold on, I didn't know. Oh, wait, hold up, he's moving his horn.
Really better.
Moving his horn. That's a nice horn. Back. Ready for the backflip.
So he's doing wheelie.
Okay,
And a
let's see.
donut.
Oh, no, he did a bicycle. He saved that bicycle. Did a nose wheelie. And the last trick is big. That was his biggest air.
Okay.
Zombie. And time for his last backflip. Saves it.
Donut. I fell.
Hold up.
Save the wheelie.
Dragonoid's gonna go get his.
Oh!
Stay Okay.
I did
I'm
a
back.
wheelie. He did a wheelie.
All right.
This is the auto.
And the friends are gonna judge. Looking at them, and they hope they win. And they must get the winner of today. It looks like Gravediggers ready? The winner of today, Dragon Grave Digger!
Yay!
Grave Digger. Did you see what he did? He did his biggest error he could have done. No wheelie. Jeez, Grave Digger. Good job, Grave Digger. Let's go.
Yeah, go! Come on! Yay!
And the second place winners are Dragon. And the third place, Zombie.
What
And
are
us.
us?
You're totally in last. Sorry.
We're out.
They're out. Sorry, the Earthshakers.
Okay, that's who
Squad.
won the game.
In the comments, which one's your favorite one? And you must get your favorite squad. We got the Dragon, the Dragonoid team, the Grave Digger team, the Earthshaker team, the Earthshakers, the Zombies.
Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe to our video
And hopefully we get more than 102 subscribers. And hit that like button. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.
Say bye, Landon.
bye.
Bye.